Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we're on the upper floor of this gorgeous townhome in the Crimson, and this is actually inside the building. So it's a townhome inside the high-rise. Very unusual to have this kind of townhome actually inside the building, but they do. So this is actually the third floor. It's the upper floor, and we're just gonna see it. So this is another fun room you could have up here. This would be good, to me, kind of another party room. You could have a TV up here. You could have other people up here, just having fun, more seating. You do have some great views. We kind of looked at that outside, but you've got a really nice terrace deck out there. And then you've got this huge balcony, and this is really the star of this floor. So let's go see this huge balcony. Wow. What a fun balcony experience you're gonna have here. This is massive. This is as big as some apartments I've seen, just this balcony. And you've got all of the cooking that you need already built in here. Really nice gas grill. There's water here also, and then you've even got a fireplace. And it's all enclosed, by the way, with lighting, but it's enclosed. So you can have some spectacular views out here. You can see kind of a neighbor and kind of how they did it over there. So really cool here over there. And you can do the same thing over here. Wow, visually stunning, very cool, and great to have these outdoor experiences here. This is really cool. I love this concept, and I just think this is a party waiting to happen on this floor. Hey, if you have questions at any time about what you're seeing, or you want to find out more information about Houston high-rise living, or about the Crimson, send me a text. My number's below. Can't wait to hear from you. Okay, we've got one more video to do here, and it's actually going to be the living floor, which is the bottom floor. So let's go see that right now.